right, so you guys go ahead. You're done reading the story?
Yes.
Okay, so go ahead and finish. Go ahead and finish up your plot diagram. Looks like you started on it already, so go ahead and finish it up. And you know, let me know if you have any questions. And again, why don't you guys? I mean, you can work independently if you think you have a good grasp now, since you started out working together. Because all of you guys pretty much were level 3 on the learning scale. So if you need to help each other, go ahead and help each other though, okay? Work together. I'll walk around and see if anybody looks like they need to work with someone. And I may pair you up with someone if it doesn't look like you have a good grasp on it, okay?
Was it a storm or was it just a wave?
Or if it looks like you have a good grasp on it, I might pair you up with somebody so that who may not have a good grasp of the information of how to write it out in the plot diagram. So let me walk around and look and see what you guys are writing down. Okay, and make sure you number. Don't forget to number the parts of your rising action. And when you get to the falling action, make sure you number that as well. Let's see what you have so far. Okay. Let me see what you have so far. Okay, add a little bit more to that part. The first part of this position. Make sure you write in a complete sentence, I should say, okay? Thanks. So please make sure you write your information in a complete sentence in each part of the plot diagram, because I have to understand what you're saying. I see how you. I'm sorry, I just have to come back and. Okay, right. You guys are doing a good job. Very good job. Okay, looks like you guys are everybody's on the falling action, so go ahead and it looks like everybody's on the same spot, the falling action, so that means you're almost done, so go ahead, you know, go ahead and fill that in. And I'll just give you a few minutes, and I'll come back and check a few minutes, see how everybody's doing. And don't forget about the rubric, so you can remember to do the assignment correctly. That rubric helps you to know what I expect, so you can earn the entire 50 points. Okay, so make sure you keep that rubric in front of you. Okay, looking good so far. All right. John and Devon. John and Devon, why don't you guys get together on that falling action, so to make sure you guys are understanding that correctly. Compare what you have to see if you guys are understanding that. And good job, Calvin.
Thank you.
You can go ahead and write your resolution, Calvin. You've done that falling action. Okay, you guys can go ahead and fill in your resolution. Oh, you already have it filled in already? Okay. Okay, let me just take a look at what everybody has for that resolution. Okay. Okay, so everybody has the plot diagram filled in. So we're out of time for today, but what I want, the last thing I want you to do for today is I want you to, because it looks like you guys didn't, I probably didn't give you time to write the summary for your Cornell notes, so that I can be assured that you understand, you know, everything in your notes. Please summarize, you know, your notes at the bottom of your Cornell notes where it says summary, okay? And then after that, next week, don't do it yet though, I'm sorry. Let me finish giving you instructions first, okay? Sorry about that. So, sorry, not next week, but next class period, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go over the correct answers together, and we will see how you guys did, okay? So I will, of course, I'm gonna see what you have first. Ask you what you have for each part of the diagram first. We'll discuss it, why you need to add more, or why your answer is correct, or whatever, okay? So we'll discuss it together, and so we can make sure you understand the plot of the story, okay? And how to fill in the plot diagram. All right, so go ahead and write your summary of your Cornell notes, because I didn't give you a chance to do that. And then after that, I will collect what you have until and put it in your folders for until next class period. Okay. And please have at least 3 sentences in your summary, okay? 3 to 5 sentences in your summary for your Cornell notes. Of course, when we're writing regular essays, of course you're writing, you know, more than that, but just for the summary of your Cornell notes, please write 3 or more sentences. Actually, it can be more than 5, but at least 3. And when you're done, just sit your pencil down so I'll know, and then I'll come collect your work and put it in your folders until next class. And again, you'll finish, and then we'll discuss the correct answers next class. Okay, you have at least 3 sentences there?
Yep.
Okay. You have at least 3 covered?
Yep.
Okay. Good. Can you hand me your paper? Thanks. And let me collect the handouts and everything from you guys too. So put your papers, your work, and give me your work first. And I'll collect the handouts. John, give me the handouts. Throw some separate pile. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Let me check you out here, John. You have at least 3 sentences there?
I think it's 4.
See.
Got to count.
Okay, yep. Okay, so, are there any questions at all that you guys have before we, in class? All right, okay, all right, thank you guys, and, bell's gonna ring in a few seconds, so if you can start cleaning up, that would be great. You guys did an awesome job.